level 4, lesson 4. Now there are notes written into bass clef. They are not asking you to identify or name anything, but there's an arrow here, and they want you to complete this measure 4/4 time. They have 2 beats here, so here's where your math is going to count. 2 beats here for the half note, 1 beat for the quarter note, so that's 3, and we have an eighth note. Now you know the eighth notes really are only worth a half a beat. So what do you think you need for one more half beat here to equal 4 beats? Would be an eighth note. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Over here now you need to make a rest. Now what kind of rest do you need? You have to figure it out. You have to get to 4 beats, 2 beats here, 2 eighth notes equals 1 beat, so that's 3. So what kind of note do you have to write here? A kind of rest, and the answer is a quarter rest. Remember, it's going to be that backward Z, and so forth. So see if you can figure out how to finish that. Now below the arrow, you're going to draw the note that's missing. So I don't see any difference here. In this, excuse me, these are all going to be rests. Rest, a quarter rest, whatever this will be, these are all rests. Over here they're going to be notes. So again you need 4 beats, 1, 2 over here, 2 eighth notes equals 1 more beat, 3. So what do you need? 1 more beat. What would that be? A quarter note, okay? And you finish that game, see if you can do that. Now you're going to draw the bar lines wherever they're needed. So you're going to have to count 1, 2, 3 for the dot, 4 and. Here's an eighth rest and an eighth note. Those 2 together equal 1 beat. So here's your first bar line right there. Alright, now over here you're going to have to identify if it's a 2/4 time, a 3/4 time. That's all they have on the bottom is 4. So you have to count your beats. Let's do this one. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5. Now that's interesting. So that would be a 5/4 time. 5/4 time, 6/4 time are rarely used, especially in all the music that you'll be studying for the next few years. So we have to count your rests and your beats and your notes and come up with the correct time signature. Time signature. Remember, 4/4 time, 3/4 time, 2/4 time, etc. Over here you're going to match. It says the first note of a scale, the key note. The scale step 1 or the key note or the, I almost said the answer. The answer is tonic. Remember that word? The first note of the scale. An accidental that cancels out a sharp or flat. Now you know, let me see, an accidental. I'm not sure what that would be. We would have to look. That cancels out. Oh, of course, that's why I got the natural ready. So in other words, in the song, if you're playing C sharp and you come to another C and it has a natural in front of it, what are you going to do there? It cancels out the sharp, so it's simply a C. Natural means play the note that it's on, just a C or just an F. So that's the answer to that, natural. So you see if you could match these, and sometimes you have to do it by process of elimination. You decide what a slur is, decide what a half step is, and find your answer. All right.